Hi, it's Kendra. Welcome back to my channel. I want to give you guys a succulent update. I believe these are Graptivaria and they are prolific right now. They are really, really going strong. What I did is I started them in a dish of water, right there like that. I noticed that they were rooting quickly and also giving off the babies within about 6 to 7 days. So these have been in for 3 days. Not all of them are shooting out. I have another variety of succulents that are not doing anything here. They're rooting but not giving babies. But these, the Graptivaria right now are, wow, they're going so strong. And that one poor baby, he's going to have to be pulled. But check this out. Here they are. They're really, really happy. And so the 3 days in the water, then I've pulled them, put them in soil, and I'm talking about this is at day 12. All right, and then let's show you some other propagation that's happening here in the house and backyard. All right, these are little succulents. I went ahead and beheaded and pulled off some of the leaves. I think these are donkey's tail. So in about 3 weeks, they've grown to be about this big. Then another variety of succulents. Look at this. I beheaded them and a new succulent is coming in every single place on the stem that I pulled a leaf off. Is that amazing? Wow. So let's move on. I want to show you what happens from this tray when they're about that size right there. What happens next? Now these are all baby succulents that were ready to be pulled off the leaf, and they're in an egg carton. I went ahead and punched holes in the bottom, and they are very, very happy. I'm only watering them once a week, but they suckled off of the parent leaf quite a long time, got very strong, and now they are living independently and on their own. They're beautiful. And here's more. It's a little bit sunny in this window, so I don't know if you will get to see how beautiful these are. Look at these. Some of these, I will say, are like 2 to 3 inches big. And at this stage, this has been about 2 months of growth. I'm so proud of these babies. And this is all in a east window, so it's getting morning sunlight from a southeast window. And now I want to take you downstairs and show you next step of propagation. Here's another area in my house where I'm propagating. These are succulents that I beheaded and pulled the leaves off. And now they're at about the 3-month stage. When they get a little bit bigger, I would say give them another couple of weeks. I'm going to go ahead and snip each succulent off the stem and put each new baby succulent in their own pot so they'll grow up to be big and strong. So that is stem propagation, which I love. Now there's some other things happening back here. Here's some stem propagation of a different variety, Echeveria, I believe, and they're doing well. This one right here is about, I would say, a little more than 1 inch in diameter. The jade is doing really well. I think they're pretty easy to grow. So these are going to be taken off the stem in just a couple of weeks and put in their own pot. And there's more to show you. Hold on. All right, many of these are new plants. These are probably at about the 4-month stage. So these at one time were little babies, and they have grown up into their own pot now. Sometimes when they're strong enough but still small, I'll plant them together, a little family, so they're happy, and they'll grow up together, and then I'll separate them. That is not a baby. That's from my girlfriend Cynthia. I love that one. So these are all, they were babies at one time, I'd say about 4 months ago, and they're all doing really well. They're very happy, and they're getting full sun. They're getting at least all day sun up until about 2 in the morning. 2 in the afternoon. More babies. And there's a jade plant that's growing prolifically. Well, 2 of them. That one's got to be potted into a bigger pot. This one, gosh, there's probably about 20 little mini baby jade plants there growing up together, and I'm going to go ahead and start separating them. But these are all, they were babies just 4 months ago, and they're all doing really well. And once the babies have outgrown their pots, I've now started to put them in larger tubs as a family. So keeping the varieties the same, all in one pot. I have started to do some decorative pots, which they're all doing really well. These succulents seem to be very happy together. Now this is a pot that I designed just the other day, and most of these succulents were struggling, but I went ahead and put them all together in this round pot, and in a matter of about 3 weeks they're all thriving. So back at the tubs, they all seem to be quite happy here. And now I want to show you one other thing that's happening here in the very sunny part of the backyard. I believe this is a graptivaria. This is my favorite new plant. Now the thing about this guy, I bought him at a nursery and he was not that healthy. So I beheaded the main plant, went ahead and put these in full sun in the backyard. And although they don't look perfectly healthy, they are very happy because we're getting babies. I was able to count probably about 10 or 11 little babies on that, these 3 succulents. And the one thing that's really beautiful about these is that, the outside of the plant is all mint green. Then you go into the interiors and it's a pretty lavender color. So you may not see it because they're in full sun, but this is right now my most favorite variety. I'm very, very happy that all of these graptivaria are now very healthy. Just want to show you an update on the backyard too. I bought some clumps of grass, and I think they're doing well. I think it's really pretty. And this is my nature stairway. The rose plant really did super well all summer, but she's finished. I'll go ahead and prune her back. She's done for this season. The other thing I want to show you is how I've been able to utilize free Craigslist products. The grasses need to be planted, but look how beautiful that looks together. All right, so I got these bricks. They're just facade. They're just like half an inch thick, but I used them to line this really pretty trail headed down to the backyard. There's some more of the grasses. Oh, so pretty. Thank you so much for watching today. If you have any questions about my propagation methods, just let me know. I'll try to help you. But I am learning how to grow a succulent family, and gosh, we started with about 60 succulents. We're now up to close to 200. Doing well in a matter of 4 to 5 months. Thank you again for watching.